Hi guys, in this tutorial you're going to learn how to turn your image into video using AI. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to search for pika.art. Then it's going to take you here. Then click on join beta. But firstly, if you don't have a Discord account, go and create one because this tool is going to be hosted on Discord. So click on join beta and then click on accept invite and then click on Pika. Alright, now you'll be taken to where you can have a personal conversation with Pika. Now the next thing for you to do is to type in /create. Then if you see a suggestion like this, just click on that /create and then click on image where it says optional. Click on image. Then from here you can select your images. Then click on prompt. Then here you're going to type in what you want the image to do. So I'm just going to write robot dancing. And then click on send. Then it's going to send the command and the bot is going to work on it. Alright, now it's done. Now let's play the video to see how it looks like. Wow, as you can see, is really good. So the only downfall of this tool is that it can only generate 3 seconds of video. So to save it, click on the video, then hold it and then click on save. So it will be saved to your phone. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next one.